Let's program a wall keypad to your operator. You'll need to have access to your operator, so ensure you have a step stool or ladder handy. First, let's identify two buttons. The top button will be the program button. On the lower right corner will be the up and down button. Let's get started. We'll need to enter in the default code 357. Then hit the program button. The keypad will begin to flash. Once the lights have stopped flashing, type in a 4-digit code you would like for your keypad. Once you have your code selected, press the program button. You will then need to relocate yourself to your operator. You may need a step stool or ladder at this time. Carefully locate free buttons on the operator. For newer modeled operators, you will have 2 triangles in 1 square. For older models, instead of a square button, you may notice a button that says Program. Hold down the square or program button for about 3 seconds. A blue light should appear. Eventually, the blue light should transition over to a purple light. Once the light has flashed purple, return to your keypad. Begin to enter in the 4-digit code you originally selected. Then, the button with the arrows, press that 3 times. And now your keypad should be programmed to your operator. For more tutorials for remote or keypad programming, please visit our website.